Hello, right now I'm at Chang, Hideaway at Iceland Hotel. This is the fridge. I'm gonna open this. Oh, and all it's that in there is Coke. And this is the bathroom. Whoa! This is the warm water. This is the hot water. This is the cold water. And this is the sink. I don't know how to open it. And this is the toilet. And this is the shower. And this is the door of the bathroom. It's a mirror. And this is a seat and a plate. There's a plate here. Oh! It's fruit. It's a dragon fruit and bananas. And this is the bed. We have to climb up this to get onto the bed. This is sick. And out on the balcony. Come on. Come on out of the balcony. There is a swing, and that's the beach of this place. And look at me. Whoa! Whoa! Whee! And there is a chair and a table here. And that's my dad. He just closed the door. Let's go back inside. This is our stuff. I'm gonna pretend to be our stuff. And what's this? Whoa! And this is a hole in the seat. And this is the closet. Here, open it. Whoa! There's a light in the closet. And there's an umbrella. Free umbrella. And automatic light. For today, I gotta go right now. So, see you next time. Bye.